Vibe coding. That's what this is. It's called vibe coding. And I'm going to check this out just to kind of see if this works because I have no idea. No idea if this works. There's vibe coding. Yeah. Just vibe coding today. Vibe coding today. Yeah. We're vibe coding. Right here, you see? It's called vibe coding. We got the vibe in the tribe. We got the vibe in the tribe. Let's see, events happening now. Ooh, look at this. We're vibe coding. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Just vibe coding today. Vibe coding today. Yeah. We're vibe coding. Right here, you see? It's called vibe coding. We got the vibe in the tribe. We got the vibe. Let's see if Facebook vibe coding works. Oh, looks like it is working. Okay. And this one did not work correctly, so I'm just going to delete this one here. Oh, what did this guy say? This one I'm going to delete right here. And this one here, I'm going to just, I guess anybody could see it. Why not? Why not? Let's hear what it sounds like correctly. So I'm just going to delete this one here. Oh, what did this guy say? All right. Ooh, look at this. Let's just see if this works. So we're going to download this puppy. Okay. Now we have this. Create a post. Templates. Stats. Consider your... Oh, hang on a second. Did it finish? Keep going. Continue. Almost. Continue, my good friend. My good little friend. It's doing the save template thing now. I wonder how many lines of code this even is. Vibe coding, ladies and gentlemen. We are vibe coding. Oh, you know what? You can't even see my whole screen, can you? Let me look at what you can see. Oh, you can only see the side. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. Over here, I asked people what type of LinkedIn account they have. I could see 2 people said Sales Navigator. Where did I put? Oh, I put up a new poll with a new hashtag, Mojo Poll 2025. It's crazy how, did this guy even write Mojo Poll 2025? He didn't. And this, oh, because it's promoted. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to say, are you actually promoting this post? Did you actually promote? Okay. Let's keep vibe coding here. All right, let's see what's going on here. We can close the side panel out. And let's just see what happened here. All right, let's see. Oh, we have it. Consider the problem your audience is facing that you want to solve. Post actual content. So what happens at the end? Oh, nice. Oh, you could add it twice, the same person. All right, so what idea should I post? Ooh, save as template. Oh, is that what you're doing? You're saving it as a template? Okay. Idea. A problem that people are posting, not having accountability to post daily. Feel like you don't have the accountability. All right, let's use our side panel extension here to write this post. Let's see if it actually writes it. Okay, good. It wrote it. Template name. Template saved. Oh. I put the post URL on the bottom. Oh, I saved it as a template too. That's cool. Let me go to my templates and see if I saved it. Okay. Use. Oh, I got the idea and the post right here. Your stats. I haven't completed it yet. Okay, I want to add a copy button here. I have one right here. Let me just go to LinkedIn and post this. You know, tough. Okay, now I'm gonna get a photo. See if I could find a photo on LinkedIn. Ooh, I like this one. I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna upload it right here. That's a good photo. Okay, so I'm gonna write done here. Oh, I have to get the post URL. Task complete. Ooh. Task complete, baby. Yay, I got one post completed. View on LinkedIn. So good. Oh my God, I did it. I vibe coded this. I vibe coded this application. You create a thing, you have templates that you could use, and stats. Oh my God. I want to be able to edit the template. So there's the two things I want to do. I want to be able to edit the template, and I want to be able to copy the post content so I can post it into LinkedIn. Can you add two features? What else did I want to do? Oh, and I wanted to copy. Let's see what it does. Here we go. We have vibe coding, making edits. Vibe coding. Vibe coding. Vibe coding. I can tell you what the thought process is behind what I'm doing here. I want people to have accountability when posting. So in order for them to have accountability, I want to create a LinkedIn post accountability system. Let's go to ChatGPT and see the conversation I had with ChatGPT about this morning. I literally just had a conversation. Let's see. BNI chapter, be with me. Let's just see what I wrote. Posting party directory, CAPTCHA. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, consistency. Consistency.fei.com. Consistency assistant, consistency tracker. Consistency tracker. Yo, it's the consistency tracker. It's the attacker. It wants to not be slacker than a facker because I want a lacquer. Okay, consistency tracker. That's what it is. So consistency and posting parties. Okay, so they input the party name, date, and attendees. Once created, attendees could add their posting links. Wow. That's crazy. I basically had a conversation with ChatGPT about the whole thing. And by the way, it took me 3 minutes and 22 seconds to do this. But I'm going to host this as consistency tracker. Your stats. Oh my God, this is so good. Every single time I post, I'm going to go to the consistency tracker. I'm going to track my consistency. Consistency. Bam 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 bam. 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 Consistency. 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 Let's just see what it did here. Consistency. 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 Let's see. Consistency, 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 consistency. Joe Apfelbaum, HTTP www.linkedin.com/in/Joe Apfelbaum, Joe at ajaxunion.com. Introducing the consistency. Introducing the consistency tracker. Here is how it works. You pick your buddy. Then you reposition the done button. I don't think it actually did. Let's look at this again. I'm not sure that it actually did. Yeah, no, I didn't. Let's see what it does. It seems like the changes didn't get applied correctly. Let me make those changes more explicitly and verify they're implemented. All right. That's the problem with vibe coding, by the way. Like it thinks it does something and doesn't really do it. Vibe coding. Oh, Carlos says, please do. Admittedly, I'm a noob to agentic AI and I need some self-educating. I notice you have links in your profile. We'll start there. You're a Jedi. Happy Sunday. Ooh, let's look at Carlos's profile. Carlos, check this out. First of all, Carlos, I don't even know if you're. Oh, look at that. Fetch recruiters. Does he have a phone number here somewhere? Let's check. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone? What's your phone? Oh, look at that. We got a phone. Oh, he's in. Oh, he's here? Oh, that's not him. Oh, this is him. Oh, look at that. Let's call him. 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 Call him. All right, let's see. Okay, let's do some research on him too. But he didn't include the LinkedIn URL.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hello. It's Joe Apfelbaum. Hope you're doing fantastic. Just calling to say hi and thank you for engaging with my LinkedIn Live. Okay, let's just go here and click on, you know, I got to tell my, man. Let me go here. Okay, did it finish? Did it finish, my good friend? Oh, looks like it finished. All right, let's test this out now. Let's see if it finished. Okay. Let's just see where it's at. Start timer and begin task. Accountability buddy. Let's add a new one. Joe Apfelbaum. Save partner. Start begin tasks. I don't know how to stop it now. There's no stop button. The done button's not there now. Let me just see if this... I don't see a save template. Yeah, that's part of vibe coding. It just doesn't retest itself. That's an issue. Let me see if I can message this dude. Thank you so much for engaging with my content. I really appreciate that very much. I'm going to send that to him. See if he responds to me today. All right, let's see what else is cooking here. I'm going to go here. Setting review posts and activity just so I could see who's commenting. Actually, I'm going to give myself a round of applause. So you guys watching me live, he said, please do. Keep giving. Thank you. I'm a noob to agentic AI. I noticed your links in your profile will start. Thanks. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm going to try him again. Because he said to please call him. So I'll show you where I get the phone number. Right on his profile like that. Control C. Then you click on the phone here. Control V. And go. I'll pull this up here.
This call will be recorded.
Hey, it's Joe
for
Apfelbaum.
Purposes.
Thank you for being on my LinkedIn Live today. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, awesome.
Joe?
Yeah. I'm glad.
How you doing, Joe?
I wanted to show people how I could just literally pick up the phone and call somebody that that engages with my content. I do that all the time.
Well, that's pretty cool.
I love connecting with people and building real relationships with them.
I was super overwhelmed watching the video because I had okay. I think he's doing something with the agentic AI, but I have no other idea what he's doing other than that because I'm a noob when it comes to that, right? So, but that's
yeah. I was just what I was doing is okay. So I'll tell you what I'm doing here is I'm building a landing page here. I'm building just like a little page to hold people accountable when they're creating a post. So, for example, the LinkedIn posting accountability, I'm basically creating a page that helps people be able to be accountable. So you add an accountability partner. For example, I'm going to add myself as an accountability partner.
Yeah.
And then once you add an accountability partner, you hit start. Start begin timer.
Yeah.
And then you begin the timer and you start writing it. And then once you're done writing it, you hit done, and then you can post it, and then it kind of creates like a little streak. So it holds you accountable. So I'm going to hit begin timer, so the timer starts going down. But now it doesn't give me any way to stop the timer. You know what I mean?
Right.
I don't see a button to stop the timer anymore. Okay, so let's say I did all the work, right? Now where do I hit stop timer? I can't. You see? And I can import templates and export templates, but I can't create a new template. So it's kind of like, oh, it's missing this stuff, and I keep telling it to fix it, and it doesn't fix it. But that's part of the problem with artificial intelligence. Sometimes it'll do things that you're not supposed to. Let me see. Oh, maybe it's because it's showing me I'm clicking on the wrong one. Let me try this one. 19. This is version 19 of 21, and this is version 21 of 21. I think I just downloaded it. Yeah. So I'm gonna need to keep messing with it until it works.
Right.
Because it's not quite working. There's something wrong. But that's the idea. That's the idea behind writing code. Do you know anything about writing code?
Sadly, I don't. No,
Okay.
no, I don't.
So it's pretty
but
simple.
I noticed on
You
your
could just
LinkedIn profile, like I checked it, and I saw you had like a number of different like master classes and
yeah. Are you
posts,
interested
I
in
guess,
learning? Are you interested in learning how to use artificial intelligence?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, absolutely.
We have a class that meets every single month for 3 hours, and we go pretty deep into how to use AI. It's called the AI Business Development Circle.
Okay.
Have you heard of it?
No, I haven't. That's my thing. Yeah.
And have you heard of Evie AI?
I have through your profile because I looked at your profile a few times in the last couple of weeks.
How'd you hear about me?
Popping up in my feed.
How'd you hear about me in general?
I don't remember. It would have been through one of our connections. So
Okay.
I mean, our mutual connections. So could have been Joe Aberdeen, or it could have been Alex Rios. I can't recall, but I know it was because I saw you connected to a mutual colleague, and I don't recall who it was.
Okay.
But I was interested in what you were doing, and so I've been kind of like seeing your posts and going back and forth on your profile, and I saw you're doing this live stream on a Sunday, and my wife's out, so I thought,
Oh, nice.
you know what, I'm going to check out this live stream. And then I was immediately overwhelmed and thought, okay, I really need to dive deep into agentic AI because I want to be able to like look at what you're doing and say, oh yeah, I know what you're doing. And another mentor and colleague of mine who she introduced me to Cloud AI, and then she uses Cloud AI and uses a number of other agentic AI building services, and so that's kind of like how I got interested in agentic AI, but I haven't done the deep dive, and so
and we definitely have a deep dive available. I just sent you a link. I put a link in the comments of the video with like a 3-hour class that we give.
Cool.
Our 3-hour class that we did last Monday, we went pretty deep into deep research and how to like build your own code and how to do things like that.
Yeah.
So that's definitely an option for you. And the other option is we have like this little AI that sits on the side of your browser. An assistant. It's called Evie AI. It has an AI writer. It can write posts, comments, messages, tweets, like whatever you want to do, it can do. And then that's available as well. On my profile, you'll see it says Get the Evie AI Bundle under my name where it says Brooklyn, New York. You'll see it says that, and you can grab the bundle there. We're offering it at about 50% off now. Plus, we're giving $10,000 worth of LinkedIn training as well as part of that. We have a lot of recruiters that buy it because they really need to learn how to use LinkedIn and use it properly. So we're big in the recruiter space.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'll definitely check it out and definitely do the training. And when you meet once a month, is it a set date, or do you kind of plan it in advance? And,
we have it planned in advance. We also have a community where we have all our events listed in the community. So once you sign up to Evie AI, you can go into you can like log into the web app, and then on the left side it's going to say community, and then you click on discover our community, and then you can click on the calendar. And in the calendar, it shows all the events that are coming up. So the next time we're doing a class for the Evergreen AI Business Development Circle is April 21st from 2 to 5. That's live. But if you sign up before, you can watch all the replays of the previous ones. We have about 50 hours of training that is that comes with your monthly subscription to the AI Business Development Circle. So you catch all the replays from the past, so you can catch up to where we are now, because we've been doing this for over a year now.
All right.
So you can watch and catch up on stuff, and then you'll be able to learn how this whole AI thing works and how you can leverage it to be able to grow your business.
Well, thanks, Joe. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thank you very much for hopping on my live.
Thanks for calling. I was really impressed with I noticed you call once before, and I did that kind of like there's like where it records and does a text of the voicemail, and I saw it was Joe. I noticed you jumped on my LinkedIn. I was really impressed with that. So when I saw the number come up again, I wanted to make sure I answered it.
Oh, awesome!
Just because I appreciate that tenacity, and also that's pretty cool. So thank you.
I love calling people and building relationships and really getting to know them. And I feel like when you're just on LinkedIn, you kind of don't really get to know somebody as well as if you're actually building a relationship with them. You know what I mean? If you're actually on the phone with them.
Yeah, true. Yeah, no, I'm a big fan of building relationships. So, yeah, I will reach out to you tomorrow, and hopefully we can do a 30-minute call, you and I, just to do precisely that.
Yeah, of course, anytime. You can call my cell. Yeah, my cell's on my profile or whatever. But you could always call me, and we actually have a posting party tomorrow at 10 a.m. You'll see that in the community as well. So You're welcome to join that as well on my Zoom. We're gonna have a posting party tomorrow.
All right.
All right.
Well,
thank you very much.
Hope you have a great Sunday. All right.
You
You take care.
All the best. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Let me see. Add a resource. I'm also going to add his phone number here that I just called him that I got from his website, which I absolutely love that I can just get a person's phone number from their website. And then I'm going to actually copy his website here and add his website as well. Boom. So now if I open his profile and I click on networking and resources, I can actually see all his information here. You see that? I think that's pretty fantastic. So this doesn't work. Right now, this is not working. So I'm going to have to kind of fix that. What I'm actually going to do is actually going to go into here. I'm going to go into here. I created a LinkedIn accountability tracker. I want to call it the consistency tracker. So this way I can track people's consistency. And for some reason, there are a few key things that are missing here, like a done writing button when I'm done writing the idea for the post, and then when I'm done writing the post, and also a copy post button so that I can copy the post and paste it into LinkedIn. And then also a new template button so I can add a new template, or save as template button so I can save the post I just wrote as a template that I can reuse later. All those things I believe are missing from here. And also it's not saving to memory, to local memory, even though it's supposed to be. So can you look at this file and let me know what's wrong with it and fix it? Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to put it in here, paste, save. Okay, a LinkedIn accountability code issues you mentioned. I'll explain what's wrong. Missing done writing buttons. It's not actually implemented. Template management issues. Local storage not working. Okay. So it is rewriting this whole thing and fixing it up nicely. Sometimes you got to create a new page to fix it up. So that's kind of like what I did here. I created a brand new Claude because otherwise I just need a brand new Claude. Just create a brand new Claude. Sometimes you just got to go brand new. Brand new. That's the idea. New. Brand new. All right, let's see who else looked at my post. Sherry Armstrong. Let's call up Sherry Armstrong. Let's see if her phone number is here. Let's see. Phone number. Website. Let's see if her phone number is here. I don't see her phone number here on her website. There's nothing really to do on her website. All right, let's just see if her phone number is right here. Let's connect. She has an email address right here, which is great. She has a website, and she says she's on Facebook here. But for some reason, she has her photos like hidden. Let me give her a buzz. Sherry Armstrong. Let me ask ChatGPT what her phone number is. Let's go to ChatGPT. You know what? I have a better idea. I'm going to do it from here. Open profile. I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to say, what is her phone number? All right, let's see if it'll find it. Oh my God, this is so good. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Sherry Armstrong. Okay. I found it on the internet. Let's give her a call. This is crazy. I don't know if it's the correct number.
This call
Hello?
will be recorded.
Is this
for
Sherry
quality
Armstrong?
purposes.
Yes.
Okay, this is Joe Apfelbaum. Are you from Texas?
Yes.
Okay, you know who I am? Joe?
This is Joe.
Yeah, you were watching me on LinkedIn, right?
Yeah. Hey, Joe. Yeah, I'm in an airport. So
Oh, no worries.
I didn't get to stay on. I just put
Oh,
my
you just hopped on
head-
for a second.
Yeah,
Okay,
I just hopped
I
on.
had-
And,
I had my AI agent search for your phone number and find it.
oh, cool.
Yeah. It
That's
just went off.
awesome.
It went off on the internet and found you on some elementary school website.
From an elementary school?
Like that you were doing gifts in some school or something?
Oh, yeah. We sell letter jackets in the high school.
Oh, very cool. Yeah, and your phone number was there, which was awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's so good to hear from you.
Yeah, likewise. I saw that your photo is not coming up on LinkedIn. There might be a settings issue. Because you share your photo on LinkedIn as your background photo, but your main photo is not showing up.
Okay. Is
Maybe
it
you're hiding
in
it.
the blue? Is it in the blue?
Just when you
Like-
later when you go on your computer later, just look at your settings for your photo. Do you know how to do that?
Uh-huh. Yeah, where it says, like you go to your profile and then it has the photo where the little edit is.
Yeah, but on the right of that, it'll say like public profile settings, and it'll say show my photo just to my connections, show my photo to anybody on the web. You know what I mean? So if
Uh-huh.
someone's not your connection right now, I think you're disabling the ability for them to see your photo in those settings.
Oh, you're so awesome. You're always giving. Did you see my comments?
Yeah, I did.
Did
I
you
saw
see
that.
my-
I did see that,
Yeah.
yeah. I did see
You're
that.
always giving.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
Well, I'll look.
Yeah, take a look at that. Also, I see you haven't posted in a week. If you need help writing posts, Evie AI is really good at writing posts for you.
Yes, I do not need help. I've been in a summit since.
But you can schedule posts
Wednesday.
out. You can schedule posts out in advance to make sure that you're always consistent and that your connections are getting the benefit.
I'll look at doing that when
Okay.
I get back. I just,
All right, awesome.
There was a lot going on, and I checked out, and I was in Las Vegas, and the time difference, and
Totally
I've been
get
in
it.
meetings from mornings until late at night.
Oh my goodness.
But anyway, it's been great. I'll be posting that on social media. So
Amazing.
But thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. All right. Thank you for. Yeah.
Okay, talk soon, Joe.
All right. Talk soon. Thank you, Sherry. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so now I can save her phone number because it's actually her. So I can go to resources and add a resource. As you can see, I can save her phone number here. Let's see. Oh. All right, I got her mobile phone number. I got her email here. So let me save her email as well. Okay, I got her mobile phone, her email, and then that's basically it. Such an awesome product. Troop here. I'm going to show her where to change her settings. Here's where she has her photo off. You see that? All right, let's just see. Consistency tracker. Oh, continue. Let's just see what it does. Could you imagine that I just searched her up using my AI, my little AI thing, and then I found her freaking phone number, and then I called her? That's insane. That is insane. can't chat with this person. Why not? Well, let's look them up on LinkedIn. Looks like that's her. MasterCard. Let's see if we can find her phone number. Boom. Oh, look at that. Oh, 646. Are you in New York, lady? Let's see.
This call will be recorded
Hello,
for
it's Joe
quality
Apfelbaum.
purposes.
Please leave your message for
Oh.
646262239.
Hey, it's Joe. I wanted to thank you for commenting on my post on school. Looking forward to chatting with you soon. Bye. That is crazy. The level 2 novice. Well, looks like my son's calling me. Let me pick up the phone. Hello. Hey, sweetie, how are you? Everything okay? Hi, what are you doing? Come for the first half. Yeah, you can come for the first 2 weeks. When's your last day of school? Yeah, the first 2 weeks is fine. Yeah. Okay. Who are you calling? How much? She's probably sleeping. Yeah, because she's sleeping. Should I wake her up? Okay, I'll tell her that you tried to call her several times. Yeah. Why are you calling random people? Yeah. Okay. When? Yeah. I'm at home. I'm at home writing code with artificial intelligence. We're also gonna go to Great Adventures because we have a thing at Great Adventures. We can go as often as we like. Yeah, we have unlimited Great Adventures. Me and you, and Chama too. Chama can come too. Yeah, yeah, I know. We're gonna have such a good time. We're also the water park there. We can go unlimited to the water park and everything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. Summer is very soon. It's already getting warm outside. $1:00? Why so late? What? That's funny. I love that. I love that. Okay. All right. I love you very much. All right. Thank you. Bye. Oh my God. I love that photo. That's such a good photo. That is funny. Yes. I've seen it. That's right. Yes, I did. Yeah, pretty much. That's right. Okay, call him. Let me know what happens. Bye. Love you too. Bye. That was funny. My daughter called me up. She just wanted to schmooze. She just wanted to chat a little bit. We had a nice little schmooze together. A great conversation. So this is pretty cool. The AI built this entire thing. It's called a LinkedIn consistency tracker, where you can track your consistency. You pick your accountability buddy. Then you put in, and then you start. You hit start and begin tasks. And then he's like, okay, what's your idea? What idea do you have? And you can use Evie AI to go get your idea. And once you have your idea, let's say, for example, you want to go to Evie AI, you go to evieai.com, you press login, you press idea generator, and then you come up with your idea. Let's say common myths. You pick your persona. I'm going to do Joe Apfelbaum persona, networking, and peer learning. Generate ideas. It'll generate a couple of ideas related to networking and peer learning. And then I'm going to pick this idea here. I'm going to press copy this idea. I'm going to go here, paste this idea. I'm going to generate the post. I'm going to do done idea. Okay, now go write your post. Okay, I wrote my post, copy. As you can see, a minute passed, paste. Done writing post. Done with the post. Still going. Now what? Now what do you do? Done writing. No, okay, now you have to press done writing post and post to LinkedIn. Done writing post. Now you can post to LinkedIn. And then you do complete task. And then it saves it. Wow. It's like a little workflow, you know? You put your post idea, you do your actual content, and then you post to LinkedIn and post it, and then you get your accountability right there. Boom. Then you have templates if you want templates. Makes life easy. And this way you can go back to your stats and you can actually see the actual post that you posted. Isn't that a cool idea? I don't know. I think it's a cool idea. I don't know about you. Joe Apfelbaum is the greatest when it comes to educating us about LinkedIn. Let's see what she says here.
Hey, y'all. I just got a phone call from Joe, who's helping me change my profile so I make sure that my picture is on there. Joe, I just want to say you're awesome, and thank you so much for the call. As you can see, I'm in the airport, and I'm flying halfway across the country to be home by 7 p.m. tonight, but I just got to give a big shout out to Joe. I love you, man. Thank you so much for making me shine. See ya.
Oh my God, amazing. Isn't that a great photo? So I got that video because I picked up the phone and called her. Crazy. And now her phone number is in my Evie AI. Look, I'm going to go here, open up her profile, click on networking and then resources, and her phone number is right here. You see that? And I use my artificial intelligence software, this one right here, to find her phone number. So this works, ladies and gentlemen. This works. And it makes me very, very happy. I could not be happier that this works. And you guys saw it in action. It's not like, oh my God, right? You saw me pick up the phone, call 2 people, find their phone numbers, call 2 people. They both picked up the phone. I had both conversations. And if your goal is to have 5 conversations a day, this is a method you can use. So one method I used, I found his website, and then I found it on his website. The other method, I couldn't find it on her website, so I used AI to look up her phone number, and then I found her phone number on some random rogue website somewhere, and then I called it, and it worked. Think about that. Think about that. All right, let's see. What else is cooking? Just insane. All right, let's see what else is going on over here. Any other comments, questions, concerns? You just keep giving. Love you, Joe. Okay, awesome. All right, well, and I got my little consistency tracking thing here that I built, which I'm very proud of. Boom, boom, boom. Because I was thinking to myself, how do I, my whole idea behind this is like, how do I give people that consistency where they actually have actual consistency? A lot of people don't have that. Now I'm just going to go for a run. All right.